Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here and just getting started with Waze, don't worry at all, because in this video, I will explain everything step by step in very simple language. Today, we are going to see how to remove a hazard on Waze. This is extremely useful because Waze works on community reports, and sometimes a hazard that was reported earlier is no longer there. By removing it, you help other drivers get accurate information. So first, open the Waze app on your phone. Make sure your mobile data and GPS location are turned on. You must be actively driving or at least near the location where the hazard is shown. Now look at the map screen carefully. You may see icons like an accident sign, police icon, vehicle stopped on road, construction sign, or heavy traffic. These are called hazards or reports. When you find a hazard that is no longer present in real life, tap directly on that icon on the map. As soon as you tap it, a small panel will appear from the bottom of the screen. This panel shows details about that report, like what kind of hazard it is and how long ago it was reported. In this panel, you will see an option that says "Not there" or "No longer there." Tap on that option. Once you tap it, Waze records your feedback and updates the system. If multiple drivers confirm that the hazard is gone, Waze automatically removes it from the map. Keep in mind that you can only mark hazards near your current location. You cannot remove hazards that are far away or in another city. This feature is very powerful because it keeps the map clean and reliable. Always use it honestly and only when you are sure the hazard is actually gone. This way, you help thousands of drivers behind you. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more beginner-friendly Waze tutorials. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.